Hey everyone, welcome back to my Network IQ channel. Today we are diving into the world of Microsoft Azure. We will be walking you through the step-by-step process of creating a virtual machine on Microsoft Azure. Whether you are a seasoned IT professional or just started with cloud computing, understanding how to deploy virtual machine on Azure is a fundamental skill. So stick around as we guide you through the entire process from signing into the Azure portal to accessing and managing your newly created virtual machine.
Alright, let's jump right in and learn how to create a virtual machine on Microsoft Azure.
At first, let's break down what we will cover in this tutorial. First, we will going to signing in to Microsoft Azure portal, and then we are going to create a new virtual machine. After that, we are going to configure our new virtual machine setting, and then we are going to review and create the VM. And at the final step, we are going to access and manage our virtual machine. So let's get started with step 1. First thing first, open your web browser and navigate to portal.azure.com. And if you already have an Azure account, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial. Once you are logged in, you will land on the Azure portal dashboard. And this is your central hub for managing all your Azure services and resources. So let's move on to step 2 and create our virtual machine. From the Azure portal dashboard, click on the Create a Resource button located in the upper left corner menu. In the Create a Resource page, in the search bar, type Virtual Machine and hit Enter. You will see a list of options for virtual machines. Choose the one that best fit your needs. For example, I wanna choose this one. Now you will need to configure the basic settings for your virtual machine. So start by selecting your subscription and resource group. For now, I have just one subscription and it's the default subscription, Azure Subscription 1. And I wanna create a new resource group for this virtual machine. Think resource groups as folders for your files. In this example, your virtual machine is your file and resource group is your folder. In other videos, I will describe resource groups. So for now, I will create a new resource group. For example, RG stands for resource group and imagine accounting department. Next, give your virtual machine a unique name. For example, virtual machine RV1. And the region you want to create this virtual machine there. We will talk about regions in other videos. So I want to choose, for example, East US.
And this is the Microsoft database, which is located in East US, Azure region. We will talk about availability options in other videos. So
I want to choose no infrastructure redundancy required. And I want to choose, for example, this one, Windows Server 2019 data center. In the size drop-down list, we are going to choose the server that best match to our needs. For example, this one. And then I should put the administrator username here. For example, admin ACC. And it passed all checks for us, and here is our password. And then I should choose inbound port rules. For example, if we want to connect to this virtual machine with remote desktop protocol, we should choose this one, allow selected ports. And this is the RDP TCP port number 3389. And there's other options to configure like disks, or look at here, these tabs, disks, networking, management, monitoring. But for this video, I want to go to review and create, because we are going to create a virtual machine with simplest way that we know. And here we go, validation passed. And this is the price per hour for using our virtual machine. For using this server, standard B2S by Microsoft, we will pay about 5 cents per hour. Okay, I'm going to hit the create button. As you see the process, it's going to create our virtual machine. And when you're creating a new virtual machine, Azure will create some new resource for you. For example, there is a public IP address for your remote desktop needs, and we need a virtual network. Of course, we need network security group, the new network security group, and our virtual machine needs a new network interface. And as you saw, the process is so fast. It creates our virtual machine machine very quickly. So I'm going to go to resource, and here you can see the public IP address of this virtual machine. I can use this IP address to remote desktop to this server. So let me test it for you. 20.163.254.133, and here we go. As you see, I should use a different account, admin-acc, and okay, here we go. And this is the first time that we are going to log into this Windows. So the operating system is going to creating some objects for us. And here we go. This is our new Microsoft Windows 2019. Congratulations.
You have successfully learned how to create a new virtual machine in Microsoft Azure portal.
And of course, virtual machines are a powerful tool for running your applications, and mastering their deployment is a valuable skill for any IT professional. So if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.